the more evidence we have, the better we can get to the bottom of what really is the nature of such an object.
It started with a flicker, a sudden, inexplicable color change in an object hurtling through our solar system. The object, 3I Atlas, an interstellar traveler, was being monitored by 4 of the world's most advanced space telescopes. They all saw it happen. The once red comet is now a menacing green. What many overlooked is that this isn't just a pretty light show. This is a scientific anomaly of the highest order. The data coming in suggests something is happening inside 3I Atlas.
The object was relatively big, possibly tens of kilometers, the size of Manhattan Island.
We're witnessing a cosmic event in real time, one that could have profound implications. The anomaly. Something truly extraordinary is streaking through our cosmic backyard. It's called 3I Atlas, and it's not from around here. This is only the 3rd interstellar object we've ever detected, a traveler from the vast, dark expanse between the stars. When it was first spotted on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile, it was little more than a faint reddish smudge against the blackness of space. But even then, there was something different about it. You see, most comets that originate within our solar system are a known quantity. They're made of ice and rock, and they behave in predictable ways as they get closer to the sun. But not all things are what they seem. 3I Atlas was an enigma from the start. What many overlooked in those early days was its sheer speed. It's traveling at a mind-boggling 130,000 miles per hour. That's so fast that there's no way it's bound by our sun's gravity. It's just passing through, a fleeting visitor on an epic journey that has lasted for billions of years. To put it mildly, this object is ancient. Some astronomers believe it could be a remnant from our galaxy's cosmic noon, a period of intense star formation that happened billions of years ago. It's a time capsule from a bygone era of the universe, and it's right on our doorstep. The thing nobody tells you is that 3I Atlas was already active when it was first discovered, far beyond the orbit of Jupiter. That's unusual. Most comets don't start to wake up and form a coma, the fuzzy cloud of gas and dust that surrounds their nucleus, until they're much closer to the sun. This early activity was the first clue that 3I Atlas was playing by a different set of rules. It hinted at a composition that was different from our homegrown comets, a composition that would soon be revealed in the most dramatic way imaginable. The initial excitement of its discovery was just the beginning. The real show was about to start. Are we witnessing a natural phenomenon, or is there another explanation for this bizarre behavior? The color of danger. Then, it happened. In early September 2025, astronomers got the shock of their lives. 3I Atlas had changed color. The faint reddish hue was gone, replaced by a brilliant, almost hostile, emerald green. This wasn't a subtle shift. It was a dramatic, in-your-face transformation. And it wasn't just one telescope that saw it. 4 of our most powerful eyes in the sky, the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, the Spherex Observatory, and the TESS satellite, all confirmed the change. This was unprecedented. While some comets have been known to exhibit a greenish glow due to the presence of dicarbon, this was different. The intensity and suddenness of the change were, to put it mildly, alarming. Many people are crazy about astrophotography, and it was actually a pair of amateur astronomers, Michael Yeager and Gerald Raymond, who first captured the stunning new color during the blood moon total lunar eclipse. Their images, taken from the dark skies of Namibia, showed 3I Atlas glowing with an eerie emerald light. At first, some in the scientific community were skeptical, but then the data from the space telescopes started pouring in, and there was no denying it. 3I Atlas was now a green comet. The thing nobody tells you is that this color change is linked to a massive outgassing of unusual materials. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its incredible sensitivity, detected a huge cloud of carbon dioxide surrounding the comet, with a ratio of carbon dioxide to water that was 8:1, among the highest ever recorded in a comet. This suggests that 3I Atlas formed in a very different environment from our own solar system, a place where carbon dioxide was much more abundant. But what many overlooked is that the green glow itself might be caused by something else entirely. Some scientists have suggested that the color could be due to cyanide, which was detected in the comet's coma in late August. Cyanide, a highly toxic chemical, is not something you'd expect to see in such large quantities. The mystery of 3I Atlas was deepening, and the questions were piling up. What could cause such a radical and sudden change in a celestial object? Was this a natural process, or were we seeing something else at play? Is the green glow a warning sign of something more to come? A non-natural origin. You see, when something in space behaves in a way that we can't explain, it's only natural that our minds turn to the most exciting, and perhaps the most terrifying possibility: aliens. The bizarre behavior of 3I Atlas, its unusual early activity, its incredible speed, and its dramatic color change, has led some prominent scientists to suggest that it might not be a comet at all. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist known for his controversial theories, has publicly stated that 3I Atlas could be an object of artificial origin, a piece of alien technology sent to investigate our solar system. To put it mildly, this is a bombshell of a claim. The thing nobody tells you is that there are some compelling arguments to support this hypothesis. For one, 3I Atlas is on a trajectory that is almost perfectly aligned with the ecliptic plane, the plane in which the planets of our solar system orbit the Sun. The chances of this happening for a random interstellar object are incredibly small, about 1 in 500. It's almost as if it was aimed. What many overlooked is that there are other anomalies as well. The way 3I Atlas reflects light is unlike any other comet we've ever seen. Its polarization, the orientation of the light waves, doesn't match that of any known natural object. Many people are crazy about the idea of extraterrestrial life, and the story of 3I Atlas is fueling their imaginations. But not all things are what they seem. While the alien hypothesis is tantalizing, the majority of the scientific community remains skeptical. They point out that we are still in the early stages of studying interstellar objects, and it's possible that 3I Atlas is simply a type of comet that we've never encountered before. They argue that its unusual composition and behavior could be explained by natural processes that we don't yet fully understand. The debate is raging, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Is 3I Atlas a natural wonder, or is it a harbinger of something far more profound? Could this be the proof of alien life we've been waiting for? The fragmenting visitor. Just when we thought the story of 3I Atlas couldn't get any stranger, it took another dramatic turn. Recent observations suggest that our interstellar visitor might be falling apart. This isn't entirely unexpected for a comet making a close pass of the Sun. The intense heat and radiation can cause the nucleus to crack and fragment, a process known as disintegration. But with 3I Atlas, nothing is ever simple. The way it's breaking up is, once again, defying expectations. You see, this isn't the first comet named Atlas to meet a fiery end. In 2020, a different comet, C/2019 Y4 Atlas, also disintegrated as it approached the Sun, and the Hubble Space Telescope captured stunning images of its demise, revealing as many as 30 separate fragments. But that was a chaotic, messy explosion. What astronomers are seeing with 3I Atlas is different. The fragments aren't just tumbling away randomly. They are separating cleanly, moving in oddly symmetrical patterns, almost like a controlled demolition in zero gravity. The energy being released is also far greater than models predict for sublimating ice. To put it mildly, this doesn't look like a natural object crumbling under stress. It looks like a self-destruct sequence. The thing nobody tells you is that this disintegration could be the key to unlocking its secrets, or a deliberate act to hide them forever. As the object breaks apart, it's revealing its inner composition. What if, deep inside the icy shell, the fragmenting pieces reveal something that isn't rock? A glimpse of a metallic substructure, a manufactured core that was never meant to see the light of day. The sudden outgassing of materials that caused the color change might not have been from hidden pockets of ice, but from the rupturing of containment pods or fuel tanks. What many are now whispering is that the comet isn't just giving up its secrets, it's actively destroying the evidence. Many people are crazy about watching celestial events, and the disintegration of 3I Atlas is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for scientists. Telescopes around the world and in space are trained on the fragmenting comet, collecting as much data as they can before it's too late. The European Space Agency's Mars Express and ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter are even planning to observe the comet as it makes its closest approach to the red planet. But not all things are what they seem. What if, as the cloud of debris passes Mars, those orbiters detect a final, structured radio burst from the expanding wreckage? Not a message, but a final automated data dump, or the electronic death scream of a dying machine. Is this the end of the story for 3I Atlas? Or is this final, dramatic act just another part of the mystery? A final clue suggesting its entire mission was to arrive, be seen, and then vanish without a trace? What secrets will be revealed as our interstellar visitor meets its end? A cosmic legacy. So, what is the final verdict on 3I Atlas? Is it a natural wonder? A bizarre but ultimately understandable comet from a distant star? Or is it something more, a piece of alien technology, a messenger from an unknown civilization? The truth is, we don't know for sure, and we may never know. The thing nobody tells you is that this uncertainty might be by design. One of the wildest theories suggests the object was a self-erasing message. It was a probe designed to perform a single function, perhaps to scan our system, deliver a payload of information, or trigger an event, and then completely disintegrate, leaving behind only ambiguous data and plausible deniability. Its catastrophic breakup wasn't a failure. It was the final step in its protocol, a perfect way to hide its true nature and leave no recoverable technology for a curious, primitive species like us to find. What many overlooked in all the excitement is the bigger picture. The fact that we are now able to detect and study interstellar objects like 3I Atlas is a testament to how far we've come as a species. Just a decade ago, the idea of studying a visitor from another star system was the stuff of science fiction. Now, it's a reality. But what if this new reality is more crowded than we think? Another theory posits that we are witnessing the beginning of a galactic census. Oumuamua was the first scout, then 3I Atlas was the second. They are not here to make contact. They are here to survey. Their purpose may be to simply pass through star systems, scan for biosignatures and technosignatures, and report back. We aren't the main event. We are just another house on the street for a cosmic census taker. Many people are crazy about the idea of finding answers, of knowing for sure what's out there. But not all things are what they seem. Perhaps the true legacy of 3I Atlas isn't the answers it provides, but the questions it forces us to ask. Questions about our place in the universe, about the nature of life, and about the possibility that we are not alone. And some of those questions lead down very strange paths. For instance, what if the problem isn't our understanding of alien technology, but our understanding of reality itself? The object's impossible physics, its defiance of gravity, its strange emissions? What if these weren't signs of alien engineering, but a glitch in the matrix? The simulation hypothesis suggests our reality is an advanced computer program. In that case, 3I Atlas could have been a piece of external code, an anomaly, or a deliberate test run by the simulation's programmers to see how the system and its inhabitants react to an impossible variable. As 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, a fleeting visitor from a distant shore, it leaves us with a profound sense of wonder. Or did it? The final lingering theory is that the visitor never really left. Its main body may be gone, but its disintegration could have released a cloud of nanoprobes, a permanent and invisible surveillance network that now permeates our solar system. The ghost of the machine remains. To put it mildly, the universe is a strange and mysterious place. The story of 3I Atlas has shown us that the truth might be far stranger than we ever dared to imagine, and we are lucky to be along for the ride. The story of 3I Atlas is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. What do you think? Is it a natural phenomenon or an alien probe? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.